Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one is a Cosmos Black Metallic. Underneath there's a 2-liter inline-4 turbo pushing out 221 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one does have front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. Black MB-Tex interior, ambient lighting, spiral look trim. Come around back, GLA 250 4MATIC badging, power lift gate, a set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, heated seats, memory seats. Hopping in, we've got our touchpad steering wheels. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Two 10.25 high-resolution monitors for your instrument cluster and your media display, which is now touchscreen. A push-start ignition. Rear view backup camera. Dual climate controls. USB ports, touchpad for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, 8-speed automatic transmission. This GLA has 4,622 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250, check out feldmanimports.com.